Okay, now we're going to talk a little bit now about finding adverbs. Adverbs, I like to call them verb adders because they kind of add to the verb. You can hear it right in the name. So if you look up here, adverbs, once again, adverbs help you add to verbs. And there's two steps you have to do to find adverbs. The first step is to find the verb. So you have to look at the sentence and find the action word up here. And if you remember this from earlier, ran was our verb. That's the action. You can see somebody running, something they do. So once you find the verb, the second step to finding an adverb is to look for words that help the verb. What word talks about the verb? What helps that verb out? It describes the verb a little more. When I look at this sentence, I can see that the tall man ran slowly. Slowly tells me how he ran. Slowly, therefore, is the adverb. It adds to the verb. It tells me how the man ran. So when you see homework on activity number 1 and it says adverbs written next to it, I want you to read the sentences that were written for the spelling homework, activity 1. Make sure that they all have an adverb in there. Make sure that there's a word that describes the verb, tells how the verb was done, how that action took place. And if it doesn't have one, you be sure to go ahead and you add one too. Thank you. That's how you find adverbs.